Hello, beautiful artisans. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I've been working on setting up Patreon, and I've set up a few tiers that I am very sure-footed on. And the reason I wanted to set up Patreon, the more I researched it, is that I can offer a variety of workshops, um, and that makes accessibility a little easier for anyone who wants to be on Patreon with me. A few things with my artwork, you see mostly the stitching that I do on the YouTube. So with Patreon, I can expand that and continue to offer Boro inspired and Kawandi inspired, and all our wonderful different quilts we do, like our yo-yo quilts. But we will also be doing projects with organic materials and recycled materials. So we stay with the theme of reduce or reuse and reduce. So those will include needle felting um, projects and creative crochet projects, and our mixed media, our little rock sculptures, to name a few. And you'll be able to chat with me. So we'll be able to build the community a little bit more and be able to connect a little bit more. And I will also be offering, if you're interested in life behind the scenes, because yeah, I work on a lot of different things before I even get to a YouTube video. So I'd be very happy to share that. And that'll be a lot of creativity when I'm researching the projects I'm working on, my life as an artist, and then, kind of life in general and how that might affect me as an artist and how I look at things and how I'm able to keep my focus and different things like that. So, but a little more in depth for sure than what I'm able to do currently. And I'll be able to offer you different things like uh digital downloads, and I'm not sure exactly on that. I have not developed that piece of it. So I need to do that, but that will be a part of as we go along. So anyway, I wanted to share that with you today. And if you have any comments, questions, please let me know. I'm very happy to talk with you on that. So have a beautiful day.